friends, in this module we are going to discuss our sixth question. Actually, so in this what they are given in triangle XYZ, right angled at Y. So this is Y at right angle as 90. Then YZ will be equal to X degrees, that is X centimeters. So YZ, what are the given conditions? Write it that. Then XZ will be equal to 2X. So XZ will be equal to 2X. Then determine the angle YXZ, that is angle X. So angle X means what is this angle? So we need to find this angle of X. This angle we need to find. Then what another angle we have to find? Angle YZX, that is angle Z. So one more angle, this angle also we need to find. So one condition, so we need to apply the trigonometric functionalities for this trigonometric signs. Based on that we can calculate what we need to require. So let's go into calculate what is the functionality. So here they are given that adjacent side not given and the hypotenuse is given. So based on conditions, sine value, we can calculate what is the angle X. So let's write it from angle X. For that, in order to find angle S, for this opposite side is given and this one. So apply here sine X. So sine X is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is YZ by hypotenuse is ZX. So YZ is what? X centimeters. So ZX is 2X. Let's going to cancel both the values. So if you cancel X here, what we will get is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 here, sine X will be equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write it in the format of sine 30 degrees. These are the standard angles values we need to remember, we have to by heart it. Sine 30 degrees, that means angle X will be equal to angle YXZ will be equal to 30 degrees. So this is the value we need to remember. The next one. So they are given that angle Z we need to find it. So angle Z, how we can find it? So here, so angle Z. So for this angle, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. Let's apply the cos. So cos Z will be equal to adjacent side is ZY whole divided by ZX hypotenuse. So adjacent side is X and hypotenuse is 2X. So XX will going to cancel here. Then what value we will get it? So the value will be equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means cos Z will be equal to 1 by 2. That will be equal to, so what value we will get 1 by 2? That's cos 60 degrees. So sine 30 means it will come it in the cos 60 degrees. So based on that we can apply. So cos 60 we know that. Then what is this here is angle Z will be equal to angle YZX will be equal to, what is that angle? 60 degrees. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not to subscribe, please subscribe. So in this session we are going to discuss our last question in this exercise. Is it right to say that sine of A plus B will be equal to sine A plus sine B? Just for your answer. So no, we cannot say like this. Why? Because we are going to take one example and we will show why it is not equal. So what is that here is, let's take sine of A will be equal to 0 degrees and B will be equal to what degrees? You can take as 30 degrees. So 0 degrees and 30 degrees, let's going to take, you can say, if it is like this means 0 we cannot add. Why? Because here if you take sine of 0 plus 3 means sine 30 only, sine 0 will be 0 and sine 30 will be equal. So let's going to take A will be equal to 60 degrees. Then it will going to make the some difference here. So what is that here is, let's going to take sine A will be equal to 60 degrees and B will be equal to 30 degrees. What is the LHS? Sine of A plus B. Then sine of A plus B means sine of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Then what is this here is sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees we will get it as 1. Then what is another one? Let's going to take sine A plus sine B. Sine A plus sine B. Sine A is equals to what? Sine 60 degrees plus sine B is sine 30 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equal to what is that? Sine 60 is, we know that root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Let's take LCM, that is 2, root 3 plus 1. So this one cannot be, what you can say here is 1 cannot be equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. So this one not possible. That means, therefore, what you can say, sine of A plus B is not equal to sine of sine A plus sine B. So what is actual formula for this? Sine of A plus B, what is the formula here? So what is formula is sine of A plus B will be equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this is the actual formula. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.